Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Dr. Abid Nadeem, and today we will discuss about the human resource management. Right? Human resource management is a strategic approach to the effective management of people in a company such that they help their business gain a competitive advantage. Okay, it is designed to maximize employee performance in service of an employer's strategic objectives. Human resource management is primarily concerned with the management of people within organizations, focusing on policies and systems. HR departments are responsible for overseeing employee benefits, employee recruitment, training and development, performance appraisal, and reward management, such as managing pay and benefit systems. HR also concerns itself with organizational change and industrial relations, or the balancing of organizational practices with recruitments arising from collective bargaining and governmental laws. So, the overall purpose of human resource is to ensure that the organization is able to achieve success through people. HR professional manage the human capital of an organization and focus on implementing policies and they can specialize in finding, recruiting, training, and developing employees as well as maintaining employee relation or benefits. Training and development professionals ensure that employees are training and have continuous development. This is done through training programs, performance evaluations, and rewards programs. Employee relations deal with the concerns of employees when policies are broken, such as cases involving harassment or discrimination. Managing employee benefits includes developing compensation structures, parental leave programs, discounts, and other benefits for employees. On the other side of the field are HR business partners. These HR professionals could work in all areas or be labor relations representatives working with unionized employees. So simply, we can define human resource management as human resource management is also a function of management concerned with hiring, motivating, and maintaining people in the organization. It focuses on people in the organization. As you can find three keywords in this definition to understand the concept of human resource management. The first one is hiring. Hiring means we need to hire the professional candidates. As you know, market is well saturated, and the highly professional candidates are unemployed, and are they are finding the better option to serve in some uh, good organizations. सो जो HR डिपार्टमेंट होता है उसका सबसे बेसिक जो काम होता है वो ये है कि उन्होंने प्रोफेशनल कैंडिडेट्स को अट्रैक्ट करना है अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ कि वो वहाँ आके सर्व करें बिकॉज़ यू नो वेरी वेल कि हर